So yesterday we looked at the Would You Survive a Scary Movie app. All right, so maybe you guys agree or disagree with the way that that was structured, but you'll have a chance to program your own and kind of put your own twist on those questions and the results, or come up with a brand new topic in general. But before we do that, what I want you guys to continue doing is the coded commentary. So again, just a reminder, the coded commentary, the code is done. All you're doing is adding the missing comments. And so those comment blocks are there, just kind of sprinkled throughout the existing code. You and your partner are working, alternating, red card, you will add a comment, and then black card, you will add a comment. Black card, when red card is adding the comment, what are you doing? What's up? Watching? Just kicking back? Taking a break? You should still be looking at that screen, okay? Just kind of like monitoring, making sure like red card knows what's going on and is leaving an appropriate comment. And then same thing, roles reverse. When black card is leaving a comment, red card, you should still be watching, kind of supporting if you're noticing they're having trouble there. Sentence frames will be up on the board. So again, just kind of grab one that feels like it might fit if that helps you. If not, you can freestyle it, come up with your own comments. And let's say 5 to 7 more minutes. Show me in your hands how many more minutes do we need? Okay, I'm seeing 5s. Some of you guys finished yesterday, that's fine. I'm seeing some 10s. Okay, go ahead, put your hands down, thank you. We'll set a timer for 6 minutes. OCD, so I think that's fine. So 6 minutes and then we'll check back in. Call me over if you need help.
Well, these are all the same. They all just change the score of the score depending on the sport, so we can just copy.
Yeah, so I guess we can just copy and paste the other ones since it's just like changing the variable name and the score number.
The sentence frame we can put variables. We can put these.
Yeah, that's like
And look at the sentence minute circle.
between comments, you would say like
Variables, right?
any
I feel like I spelled that wrong.
I got last time, but it was good.
Okay,
My hair was in.
this variable stores
add a comment and you would just basically
the
write
score.
what
His hair was fine.
You can put like for the game also to make it more specific.
Oh no, this variable doesn't store, it's assigns, right? This variable, because it has the equal,
Yeah,
assigns the score, what did you say?
for the game.
For the game. Okay.